on the flame. Once kadai is heated, keep the flame in medium. Add 2 spoons of oil. Add chopped onions. Add tomatoes, green chilli. Mix it nicely. Add salt as per your taste. I am adding 1 spoon of salt. Mix it nicely and half cook onions and tomatoes. After tomatoes and onions are half cooked, switch off the flame and take it into a bowl. Keep it aside. Now take a bread slice. Add tomato ketchup. Add cheese slice. Add onion tomato mix. Add chili flakes and sprinkle oregano. Take a tawa and once it is heated, keep the flame in low. Add 1 spoon of butter. Cook it for 2 minutes on one side. After 2 minutes, flip the sandwich.